I actually wanted to like film an intro, but I just broke my tripod and my camera is, look y'all, it's sitting in my medicine cabinet. So we're about to make this work. I know my intro wasn't proper, but you guys already know what to do. I'm Storm if you're new, and be sure to hit that subscribe button and follow all of my social media, which I will have linked down below. Now let's start. Alright guys, and here is to the voiceover. Huge shout out to DUVOLLE, I think I'm pronouncing that right, for sending me this spin brush systems. If you guys know, I love skincare. I love my spin brushes. This came with 4 pieces and the instructions were also in here. You do need batteries though. It's just their basic skin brush system, but usually they only come with 1 head, so I was super excited about this one. You're gonna see me struggle trying to get this open because I couldn't get this open. Like it was just tough to open up the part where the batteries go, but there it is. And this is the brush. I'm just gonna be using the basic head to just cleanse my face. With my cleanser, I'm using the e.l.f. Daily Face Cleanser. This is hands down my favorite cleanser. I used it in a couple of my videos. If anybody asks me what facial cleanser I recommend for sensitive skin, I'm always gonna revert back to my e.l.f. It's inexpensive and it's literally only $4, right? Crazy. So here you will see me washing my face. I did speed up this clip. I washed my face for about 60 seconds. I watched this video. She said 60 seconds. So that's how long I washed my face, and I timed it. To rinse off my face, I'm actually going to be using a receiving blanket. It's actually my daughter's. It's just softer on my skin, and I hate using towels because it scratches at my skin. Next, I'm going to be using my CeraVe to cleanse my face as well. This skincare stuff is step on step on step, but the e.l.f. dries out my face a little bit, but then this kind of puts the moisture back in my face. I don't know, it's confusing, but this works for me. I have sensitive skin, I have oily skin, so yeah, this works. And this is what my skin is looking like. It's pretty clear. I've been doing great with my skincare. face with this Equate moisturizing lotion. It's like the cheap version of the Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. It works, so I'm just going to use that. I'm also going to be using my Mario Badescu rose water spray. If you know me, you already know I love anything rose water, whether it be oil or the mist. So I'm going to be using that, and I'm just going to be waiting for it to dry. I'm just fixing my edges because washing your face, it kind of messes it up. I'm just gonna fix those, which I'm trash at, by the way. And this is my skin, and that is it for my skincare. If you guys like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, follow all of my social media, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
You love me even if it's fake, 'cause I don't fucking care at all.